Okay, so I am close. Very close. Maybe 5 minutes.
David, you said 5 minutes 20 minutes ago.
Right. Physically, no. Emotionally, yes.
I am going to pretend that made sense. Welcome back to Real Talk Tokyo. Today you will learn 3 useful phrases for awkward situations. David will demonstrate the awkward part.
I would like to say I was learning an important lesson in time management.
You were 45 minutes late.
Yes, and this is the part where I stopped defending myself.
Hello?
Hey, Maya. Before I say anything, don't be upset.
That sentence has never made anyone less upset.
Fair. I am on my way. I really am.
We said 12 o'clock. It is 12:30.
I know. I missed my train, followed the wrong exit, and then trusted a sign with too much confidence.
So, the sign is responsible.
No, I am responsible. The sign was just emotionally involved.
David.
I know. Sorry. No joke for a second.
Good. Then tell me where you are.
Near a vending machine, a small bakery, and a street I've definitely walked down twice.
That describes half of Tokyo.
I know. I should have left earlier. There is no excuse.
That was the first useful sentence today.
Can the second useful sentence be, I owe you coffee?
Coffee is the minimum, David.
I'm on my way. This means you have already left and you are currently going to the place. Sorry I'm late. I'm on my way right now. Don't start without me. I'm on my way. Don't be upset. You say this before bad news, but it can make the other person more worried. Don't be upset, but I missed the train. Don't be upset. I can fix it. You owe me. This means someone should do something nice for you because you helped them or waited for them. I waited for 40 minutes. You owe me coffee. You owe me for this. Lunch is on you.
I made it. Maya, I am so sorry.
45 minutes.
I know. There's no excuse. I should have left earlier.
Thank you. That is what I needed to hear.
I also brought you a matcha latte. Not as a bribe. Mostly not as a bribe.
Mostly.
And I met the nicest woman. She drew me a map by hand.
Wait, really?
Yes. Little arrows, tiny buildings, everything. It looked like a treasure map.
That is actually very sweet.
I kept it. It is in my pocket. I think I needed help more than I wanted to admit.
That is the most honest thing you have said today.
So, am I forgiven a little?
Partly. You still owe me lunch.
Done. Anything you want.
Good. I already ordered for you.
That sounds dangerous. What did you get?
A salad. Grilled chicken. Very responsible.
I was hoping for pasta, but honestly, I deserve this salad.
You really do.
Wait, is that sesame dressing?
Yes.
Okay, never mind. This is a redemption salad.
A redemption salad.
Put it on a t-shirt.
If you only remember one thing, use I'm on my way when you have already left. Today's phrases, I'm on my way, don't be upset, and you owe me. Now, tell us in the comments, Team Maya or Team David, and what is your waiting limit, 10, 20, or 30 minutes? Next time, David tries to prove he can make a plan. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons.